Hello friends, welcome to Internet Networks. My name is Edgar Francis. In this video, we will see the configurations of route map redistribution. Now, question come in our mind that why we need a route map in redistribution. We can simply use the redistribute command, but without the route map, the redistribute command redistribute everything. But if we want to assign a different metric type, security, we use the route map. So if you want to know more in details, there is a link in the description box. You can visit it out. As you can see, I have wrote everything about this topic, and there's lab also. So let's go to our topology and start the configurations of this route map redistribution command. So let's get started. We starting from router 1. The IP address is already pre-configured. You can see do show IP interface brief already configured. Okay. So we are going to configure first the router OSPF. So router OSPF 1 and the router ID, okay, 10.1.1.1. As you know, the router ID to configure is manually configure is not compulsory, but still I am doing this. So network and 0.0.0.0, 0.0.0.0, and it is in area 0 exit. So all the routes, the fast Ethernet, the serial interface and the loopbacks are advertised. Okay, so now let's go to the router 2. So router 2 over here, let's see the IP address. Do show IP interface brief. The IP address is configured, the status is up. Okay, so now configure the OSPF. So router OSPF 1, and we give the network, which is first the serial interface, which is 12 network, and it is in area 0. Okay, another is the fast Ethernet, which is 20 network, so 20, and we have the serial interface connected router 2 to router 3, which is 23. So 23. Okay, now let's configure, let's advertise the loopback interfaces, which is 192.168, 21.0, and the wildcard mask is 255.0.0.0 and area 0, which and 22 network, 23 and 24. Okay, so we advertise the loopbacks, the fast Ethernet and 2 serial interfaces. Okay, exit. Now let's go to the router 3. Okay, let's verify the IP address is configured correctly. All the ports are up. Interface brief. Okay, up, and the loopbacks. Okay, so router OSPF 1 and the router ID is 30.1.1.1, and we give the network 23.0.0.0 and 0.255.255.255, area 0. The neighborship will up. Okay, now advertise the fast Ethernet, which is 30 network. Okay, exit. Now let's configure the RIP. So router RIP, and the version is 2. Okay, now we are going to advertise the loopback interfaces, which is 192.168, 31.0 and 32, 33 and 34. Exit. Do show IP route OSPF. Okay, do show IP route. You can see we have these routes. Okay, so now we are going to redistribute RIP into OSPF. So but we have the conditions over here, which is the redistribute 192.168.31.1 network into OSPF with the metric 2000 and the default metric type. And another condition is redistribute 192.168.32.1 network and 192.168.33.1 network into OSPF with metric 1000 and the metric type will be 1. So in order to configure this, first we need to configure the access list. So access list, and we give the sequence number 10, and we are going to permit 192.168.31.0 and the wildcard mask is 255.0.0.0. okay. Another is sequence number 20, and we are going to give the 32 and we permit the 33 also, 33, and the rest of the network will go by default, which is 192.168.34.1. okay. Now let's verify the access list to show. To show access list. Okay, here we have the 3 access list. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, now let's configure the route map to match the IP address and set the matrix. Okay, so route map, and we are going to give the name. I'm going OSPF and give the permit and number 10. Okay, now we are going to match the IP address, match IP address, and we are going to match with the 31 dot network and give the access list number 10. Okay, 10. Okay. Now we are going to set the matrix, set metric, and we are going to give the metric 2000 as per our requirement. Okay, now exit. We are going to create another route map for the 32 and 33. Okay, so route map and name OSPF, and we are going to permit 20. Okay, now match the IP address 20. Now we set the metric, so set metric, and the requirement is 1000, so 1000, and metric type, set metric type. Here we have 4 types: internal, external, and type 1, type 2. So we are using type 1, so type 1. Okay, now exit. Route map. Okay, OSPF permit 30. Okay, the rest of the network will go. Okay, so now we are going to apply this into OSPF and redistribute RIP into OSPF. Okay, so let's configure router OSPF 1 and redistribute. Okay, RIP and the subnet Okay, and we give the route map. You can see over here we can type the metric type and the route map. So route map, and the name of the route map is OSPF. Okay, OSPF. Okay, done. Let's give the end. Okay, now let's verify. Show route map, the name OSPF. You can see over here for the access list 10, the metric is 200, and for the 32 dot network, the access list 20, the metric is 1000, and the metric type will be type 1, and the rest of the network will go to the by default. Okay, now let's verify on the router 1. Okay, let's go to the router 1. Okay. So router 1, okay. And okay. show IP route. Okay. As you can see over here, the 192.168.31.0 network has the metric 2000, and for over here it is default, and over here is E1, which is type 1. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like, please give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching this video. Let's ping 31.1. okay, the 30 dot network is not over here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like, please give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.